Assalamualaikum. Welcome to 4th HEC Research and Technology Showcase. I am Dr. Ursa Ijaz, Assistant Professor at ZABFM University, and along with me I have Professor Dr. Hamad Abdul Kayani, who is working as a Program Manager of BS Biotechnology and BS Biosciences program. Assalamualaikum sir, how was your experience today?
Walaikum assalam. Thank you Dr. Ursa for introducing me. Experience was wonderful. We have projected 62 projects in this showcase, and I have visited each and every projects that we have presented here, and also the projects from the other universities. So I am really amazed to see the kind of innovation students are basically developing right now. As far as the ZABIST students and their projects are concerned, there were multiple range of projects. I mean, in computer science, I saw one of the project which was about cyber security and tools for cyber security. Then there was one very good project. It was about development of resume and a portal for the internships that we offer. And for biosciences and biotechnology, we had a project about development of plastics, about the biofertilizers, and also multiple applied projects based on the nanotechnology, microbiology and enzymology. So all in all, a wonderful experience here, and I find this activity a very fruitful one, not only for the students but all the people who came here, and they provided us a very good feedback that will be very helpful for us to develop this theory that we have developed in our project and replicate this into a wider practice. So under Faculty of Life Sciences, we are offering 5 different undergraduate programs: BS Biosciences, BS Biotechnology, BS Food Science and Technology, BS Nutrition and Dietetics, and BS in Public Health. First 3 programs are offered under the Department of Biosciences, and Nutrition and Public Health are offered under the Department of Public Health. We are also offering graduate level programs, MS Biosciences, MS Biotechnology, and very in demand.
Alright, so what's the procedure to get admission at ZABIST?
Alright, so to get admissions in ZABIST, you basically apply through a portal. Online portal is available, admission portal it is available, and it is very user friendly portal. Any student can access to that, any potential candidate can access to that. The rest of the details related to admissions are available on ZABIST website. Every program has specific eligibility criteria, that what percentage students should have, what numbers of years they should have previously done. So every information is available there.
Okay, and how many intake of admissions you announce?
So for particularly biosciences and biotechnology programs, we usually offer double intake. One intake is in fall, and the second one is in the spring of every year.
Okay, thank you so much sir for your time, and I hope this video will help the parents and students to know about ZABIST. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thanks for having me.